Hi guys, welcome to BFC TV. As you all know that we're playing the AFC Cup finals, let's get to know our opposition a little bit more. Al-Quba Al-Jawiya, also known as the Air Force Club, is the oldest club of Iraq. Formed in 1931 in Baghdad, they've gone on to win 5 National League titles. Air Force Club supporters call themselves Al-Sakur, which means the Hawks. But for every Air Force Hawk, we have one eagle. Air Force Club's Hamadi Ahmed has scored 15 goals in 10 appearances, the highest by any player in AFC Cup. The face-off between him and Johnson and Juan is going to be a sight to see. They defeated Al Ahad, the top team from Lebanon, in the semi-finals to set up a date with the Blues. Tomorrow, we take you to the Suhaim bin Hamad Stadium, which is the venue for the finals. See you there.